Welcome to the AlphaKey Club, Alphabet Adventures, where you get a new alpha key to literacy every day.
Hi everyone, I'm Alphee, your elephant friend. This is Leo, my best friend in the whole world. This is Leo's friend Ola, who lives next door. Leo and Ola play and learn together. This is my special AlphaKey alphabet activity book that's filled with alpha keys. These keys help you learn to read and write, express yourself, and grow things you know. Grab your AlphaKey activity book. Let's get started. Let's look at our AlphaKey alphabet chart. Can you think of words that start with the letter C? In the AlphaKey alphabet, the letter C is for confidence. Let's sound it out. Confidence. Confidence. The dictionary says confidence is a feeling of self-assurance arising from one's appreciation of one's own abilities or qualities. Basically, it means you feel great about yourself and what you can do. I always feel confidence when I practice the trick Leo taught me, rolling over. I want to ask a few people when they feel confidence. I think I'll ask Miss Shalom. Hey, Miss Shalom.
Oh, hey, Alphee.
When do you feel confidence?
Well, you know what? I feel the most confidence whenever I'm doing something that makes me really happy. Like, for example, when I'm teaching. I love teaching so much. Whenever I speak with confidence, loud and clear. What about your friends Ola and Leo? When do they have the most confidence? All right, I'm going to get back to my activity book. I heard you're doing a great exercise with the letter C today. I'm going to get started. All right, I'll talk to you later, Alphee. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Ola, Leo, what about you? Well, I feel the most confidence when I'm dancing in dance class or reading out loud to my mom. She says I'm a great reader. I feel the most confidence when I'm exploring outside or playing chess with my dad. I play my best so I can win all the time. That's great, guys! Confidence is something that you can feel for a short time or a long time. It's a feeling you grow as you work to achieve something. Sometimes, when we don't know how to do something, we have to learn it, like reading or speaking a new language. At first, we may not read or speak with confidence, but over time, our confidence grows as we become better and better readers and speakers. Now it's your turn to ask someone nearby when they feel the most confidence. Pause the video and ask a friend or a grown-up or maybe a sibling. Come right back and we can start our activity. All right, it's time for our activity. Find the letter C page in your alphabet activity book. The directions say, search the letters below to find the letter C. Circle each C and then color each one orange. For a second activity, get a piece of notebook paper and something to write with. Practice writing your letter C's. After you're finished, make sure you show your work with confidence. All right, friends, that's all for today. Thank you for stopping by to hang out with me, Alphee, and my friends Leo, Ola, and our special guest, Miss Shalom. Until next time, make sure you practice your alphabet, or even better, sing mine.
Achieve, be bold, confidence and dignity. Encourage others to have fun with you and me. Be grateful and healthy, integrity with joy. Be kind with love, mighty, noble, optimistic. Patience with question, respect and support. Remember, teamwork with understanding brings victory. Wisdom makes an expert. Be useful with zeal. That's our new AlphaKey alphabet. The more we sing it, the more words we will